Good day to all students. I am Fahim Ansari from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we will discuss about the solid dosage form. What are the solid dosage form, how they are classified, what are the advantages of solid dosage form, and what are the disadvantages of solid dosage form. As we see, what is dosage form? Dosage form is a which have API and excipient both together so that it can be taken to a patient very easily. They are classified on various bases: solid, liquid, semi-solid. Today we will discuss only about the solid dosage form. What are the solid dosage forms? Solid dosage forms are the solid in nature. They are classified according to their nature or their state, physical state. They are solid in nature, and there are various categories and types of solid dosage form. They may contains one ingredient or more than one ingredient as API, and most of the excipients they contains. What are the solid dosage forms? Some of the traditional and solid dosage forms are tablets, capsules, powder, granules, pills, and cachettes. Tablets are maybe divided into several categories: small tablet or coated tablets, uncoated tablets, sugar tablets, on various categories. Capsules, next is capsules. Capsules are based on mainly divided into two types of capsules: hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsules. Hard gelatin capsules are made up of gelatin and other ingredients, and soft gelatin is also contains the same ingredient but in different ratio. Method of preparation are different. And next are the powders. Powders are the very small fine particles which can be administered in single dose or multiple dosage types. They may be used externally or internally. Most of the powders may be used for the external use. Examples are dusting powders or the powders we used in for skin infections. Next is granules. Granules is actually is a semi-solid solid dosage form. It is a between tablets and powders. These particle size are larger than like powders but smaller than tablets. Next is pills. Pills are the small tablets which contains the extract of any materials. They are mainly homeopathic medicines pills or small pills. Next is cachettes. Cachettes is maybe said to a type of capsules which are compressed in a they are compressed in by a layer of polymers. The drug is entrapped into it. Next is the what are the advantages? Advantages of solid dosage forms, that mainly the advantages of tablets are they can be dispensed in यूनिट डोसेज फॉर्म. इनको सिंगल डोसेज फॉर्म में डिस्पेंस किया जाता है, मल्टीपल डोसेज फॉर्म में भी किया जा सकता है. एंड इजी ऑफ एक्सेस, टेकन इनको लेना आसान होता है. डिस्पेंसिंग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इज इजी. Next is the disadvantage. Some of the disadvantages of solid dosage forms are it is not favorable dosage form for children, for elderly patient, for unconsciousness. For this types of patient we cannot when a patient is unconscious we cannot give him a tablet. So we have to find the alter method for this. Thank you.